Are you tired of those RC cars and trucks that break all the time, that can't even go over one little stick? It gets stuck and you gotta go fix it, or something gets around the wheel and then it goes in a circle and you just cannot stand it no more? Well, look no further than the Crawler. This thing is a massive RC beast of a tank with many options. In a moment we will be going over some details of this RC tank. If you are interested, you can find a link in the video description and also in the comment section. So this shows you the instructions. Wow, look at this. Look at this beautiful tank. It is 1/12 scale. It has gull wings that open and closes freely and easily. Front lights, rear lights, and highlights. Continuous spraying up to 8 minutes. 360-degree rotation on the spot. Speed can be adjusted at will. It's perfect for all terrain. You can drive 80 meters away from you. You get 2 batteries, allowing for 22 minutes continuous driving each, for a total of approximately 44 minutes total. Batteries charge in just 3.5 hours, and this beast of a tank can crawl up 45-degree angles. With its sleek style and its aggressive look, it's sure to make all the other RC cars and trucks and tanks of the world run in fear. Because when this tank pulls up, nothing compares to it. The performance, the speed, the style, the agility, the looks and sounds of this will shake the ground beneath its tracks. Alright, now that we went through some details of this beautiful tank, this is what is left in the box. So make sure you take everything out. You don't want to miss anything, because up in here you have, I believe, the controller. Yes, so you have the controller right in here, which we'll go over that as well. And also down in here you probably have the batteries. Yep. So the controller takes batteries right in here, and for under the tank, for this guy, he would go right in here. So you take a screwdriver and you turn that off, and this says press on and off to turn it on and off. So let's head over here to the gas tank that you see in the back right here. So all you do is you give a little wiggle and it comes out, and this is where you put water inside. So you fill that up, go ahead, put the little cap back on, and you're good to go. Something that I find really interesting and cool is we have a GoPro here, and look at this. We can mount our GoPro camera on the back of the tank and get some really cool footage. So I stand corrected in a previous statement. It takes 3 AA batteries, not 2. Alright, so to turn it on, what you want to do is go ahead and turn the power of your controller on, and then go ahead and turn this upside down and press and hold the power button, and there you go. If there's a loud pitch, a loud hum sound coming from your vehicle, what you want to do for that scenario is then just simply keep this turned on, but turn off your controller for about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on, and the sound should go away, the loud pitch sound. So let's show you guys the smoke feature. Pretty awesome. Now to get that feature, you need to make sure you put water down in the tank as we showed you in the beginning. So let's show you the lights better. So at nighttime this really would look nice. You got 2 lights here, lights here. You also get lights when you turn on the water spray, aka smoke. Let's see if you have any lights on the front when you turn it on. No extra lights for that. As you can see, we mounted our GoPro. So let's test some of the features here. So, 360 degrees. It's got forward and reverse. You can see the torque right here as you lift it up. This thing is really awesome. By the way, you controlled your speed by the trigger, so pulling it lighter and softer. So as you can see here, we're going to crawl by pressing just lightly. And then you push up for reverse, and you just lightly press up if you want to go slow or fast. Alright, we got super view on. Let's go ahead and show you how it climbs over these hills and how different terrain it works. So as you can see, the GoPro is putting weight down on the back end, so it's harder for it to climb the hill due to that, because of the weight, but it can still do really well even with the weight on it. But as you can see, the GoPro is holding it down, so we might take it off. Alright, we took the GoPro off. So of course, with the GoPro off, it can go a whole lot faster than with it on. And of course, different terrain, no problem for this. So these are rocky and wood chips. So, a bunch of branches and stuff. Oh, looks like we have a cat. So when all is said and done, it doesn't matter if it's rocks or sticks or stones or grass or mud or dirt. This thing is a monster. It is a beast. Because it's so fun, because it's so many applications you can have fun with this over different terrain, I think we're going to have to give it a 9 out of 10, possibly a 10 out of 10. It'll get a 10 out of 10 if it can hold up and withstand multiple uses for over a period of a couple months. But for now, it gets a 9 out of 10. There's a link in my video description if you're interested. So here you can see the lights even better. I highly recommend it for anybody. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best, and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button hitting that subscribe button and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.